Welcome to 7013 East Oakland here in the community of Creekside at Forest Ridge, part of a master plan community. Today I want to share three really cool things about this particular layout that you might not pick up on in walking through on your own, some of my favorite things about this home. And at the end I want to show you how you can save up to $800 a month off of the payment of your home for the life of your home, as well as not have the out-of-pocket expense of closing costs. Stay tuned till the end and I'll tell you all the details. Feature number one is here in the study that's right off the front entryway. I just want to show you something really cool about how we set this up. This particular layout has a notch in the wall right here in this wall that's on the same side as the kitchen in the home. And part of the reason we did this in the study is so if you wanted to put a large piece of furniture here against the wall, it doesn't take any space out of the room. You still have plenty of space for a desk or whatever you might want, even if you had a bookshelf or some sort of large piece of furniture there. So just some ingenious design work there. And then this wall that's right here, being notched in the room, actually allows for a giant pantry, and I'll show you that in just a moment. All right, there are very few homes that I would come into the hallway closet to film anything on, but feature number two in this home is just even more storage. This particular space here, we've got this 5-shelf unit here when you come inside this closet. It also goes all the way back here. It's like a 14-foot deep closet. I mean, this thing is enormous. If you want to know where you can put all the bodies, right there. Nobody's gonna find them. All right, and the third thing I wanted to show you is what we call a master suite with a snooze button built in. You might be saying, what does that mean? Basically, it's the idea of if there's two of you in the master suite and one gets up earlier than the other person, in a lot of floor plans, you'll have like the wall over here goes out to the rest of the home, the wall over here goes to the master bathroom, the wall over here goes to the master closet. And so you're kind of back and forth in this triangle going between the different areas you need to get to while you're getting ready. What that means for the person who was trying to sleep in is light and movement and sound, and they can't sleep in. So in this master suite, the way we set it up is once you go in through this door into the master bath, you can then get to the master closet and out to the rest of the home and never have to walk back through the master bedroom again. And that's pretty cool because then they can sleep in and then you don't get kicked out and in the doghouse for waking them up. So you're welcome. All right, and last but not least, let's talk about the best incentive Shaw Homes has ever done in our 36-year history. You heard me right. We've got an incredible incentive right now. It's $40,000 to use however you'd like. We can buy down your interest rate permanently or pay your closing costs or take it off the price of the home or any combination of those. Let me tell you what's happening for our customers who are buying down their interest rate. Right now, with interest rates a little higher than normal, we are seeing people get 2 to 2.5% below the best in the market rates. That means up to $800 a month in savings on your payment on this home or any of our other move-in ready homes. That is an incredible number. That means that you can buy this brand new home for the same payment as a used home with a price $100,000 below this one. You heard me right, it's the same payment as a home $100,000 below this, because on used homes, they don't buy down your interest rate. So give us a call today and let's get you in to see this or any one of our other move-in ready homes here in Forest Ridge or anywhere in Broken Arrow. Call us today.